Hi, I'm Eamonn Darcy, the founder and operator of Quecwa, the Quantum Education Centre of West Australia. What I want to do today is give you a perspective of the quantum world and the quantum universe, because it's amazing that we finally, scientifically, experimentally know that it exists. What's even more amazing is that we can computers out of these quantum particles. But let me tell you what one is in a way. I want you to get a speck of dust from around you. Just get a speck of dust as small as you can and put it on your forefinger. And you may need a magnifying glass, which is fine, to make sure it hasn't dropped off completely. But let's do that. Let's put a speck of dust on our forefinger. Now, in that speck of dust, there are 3,000 billion atoms. And in each atom, for simplicity's sake, we'll say there are three. There are normally a lot more, but let's say there are 3 quantum particles in each one of those. So that's around about in that one speck of dust, 9,000 billion quantum particles. And we know that they're there. We've experimentally proven it about 100 years ago. So, if we were to count in that speck of dust on your forefinger, if you were to count all the quantum particles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it would take us 285,210 years. That's just in that speck of dust that you can throw away now. That's in a speck of dust. What about in your body? What about in your room? What about in your street? What about in your suburb? What about in your country? What about in Earth? What about in every other planet in the universe? And the amazing thing is that these quantum particles, which are inside us, we are made of quantum particles, not atoms, quantum particles, in the form of atoms maybe, but we're made of quantum particles. And the amazing thing is, one quantum particle can find another quantum particle hundreds of thousands of miles away. If I move one of them to the left, the other one 100,000 miles away will move to the left. What about quantum teleportation, moving that speck of dust 100,000 kilometers instantly? When do you think we'll be able to do that? 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, maybe never? We actually teleported a subatomic particle from a laboratory in Tibet to an orbiting spacecraft 5 years ago. So if you have enjoyed this presentation, please stay in touch. You can email me at darcy.eamonn@quecwa.org.au. You can go to the Quecwa website, www.quecwa.org.au. Please also consider subscribing to the Quecwa YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/c/Quecwa, and then you will hear about the 10-episode course that we're putting on free of charge, and each episode is 10 minutes. And after you've done the 10 episodes, I assure you, you will know whether this technology is for you or not. And it will be a fantastic introduction to the world of quantum physics and the world of quantum computing. Thank you very much, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye now.